exploring cosmic collisions. Hey space lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for mind-blowing space stories, cosmic mysteries, and journeys to the edge of the universe. Alright, let's get into this galactic showdown. First, what exactly is a galaxy? It's a massive island of stars, gas, dust, dark matter, all bound together by gravity. Our Milky Way is just one of over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each with billions or even trillions of stars. And galaxies aren't lonely. They live in groups, clusters, even massive superclusters, which means sooner or later they bump into each other. So what happens when two galaxies start to meet? Well, it's not a dramatic smash like two cars on a freeway. Galaxies move at hundreds of kilometers per second, but they're also enormous, stretching tens or hundreds of thousands of light years across. So the process takes hundreds of millions of years, almost like two slow-motion ghosts weaving into each other. As they draw close, their gravity pulls and stretches them, creating incredible distortions. Long, elegant streams of stars called tidal tails get pulled out into space. It's like watching glitter being dragged behind two giant whirlpools. Famous images from the Hubble Space Telescope, like the Antennae galaxies or the Mice galaxies, show these cosmic sculptures in stunning detail. And then comes the fireworks. When galaxies merge, their huge clouds of gas slam into each other, compress, and suddenly collapse to form new stars at furious rates. These starbursts can be 100 times more intense than normal star formation, lighting up entire regions like cosmic cities ablaze. Massive stars born in these bursts live fast and die young, exploding as supernovae that enrich the galaxy with heavier elements, setting the stage for new planets. But wait, do stars actually collide? Surprisingly, almost never. Even though galaxies are packed with stars, the distances between them are so vast that it's like two swarms of bees merging without a single bee hitting another. Most stars just get pulled into new orbits by gravity. It's the gas clouds and dust that do most of the crashing and merging. At the heart of most big galaxies lurks a supermassive black hole. So when two galaxies merge, their central black holes begin a slow spiral dance, eventually crashing together in a mind-boggling release of energy, sending ripples, gravitational waves, across the universe. We've actually detected these waves on Earth with observatories like LIGO, proving that these cosmic mergers are more than just light shows. They shake the very fabric of space-time. After hundreds of millions of years, the chaos settles. What's left is usually a new, bigger galaxy. Two spirals often merge into a giant elliptical galaxy, a huge glowing blob of stars with little gas left to make new ones. That's why many of the oldest, biggest galaxies we see in galaxy clusters today are giant ellipticals, forged from countless past collisions. Now here's the part that hits close to home. Our own Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. In about 4 billion years, they'll start to merge, twisting out beautiful tidal tails, lighting up with bursts of new stars, and eventually becoming a giant elliptical galaxy, sometimes called Milkomeda. Will Earth survive? Probably. The odds of a star actually smashing into us are tiny. But by then, the sun will be turning into a red giant anyway, so Earth's days are numbered. Still, it's wild to know we're living in a galaxy that's part of this grand cosmic ballet. These mergers are more than just pretty cosmic events. They're crucial to galaxy evolution, stirring up gas, forging new stars, growing supermassive black holes, and shaping the universe as we see it. Without galaxy collisions, the cosmos would be a lot quieter, and maybe a lot emptier. So the next time you look up at the stars and see the soft glow of the Milky Way, remember, you're seeing just one chapter in a long story of cosmic collisions and rebirth. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this journey through the universe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos that explore the mysteries of space. And tell me in the comments, what would you do if you could watch the Milky Way and Andromeda merge up close? Until next time, keep looking up!